Chief Minister in BIREN has condemned the use of weaponized drones to drop bombs on civilian and security forces, calling it an act of terrorism. In a post on his X handle, Chief Minister in BIREN described the attacks as cowardly and said the state government takes such unprovoked assaults very seriously. He assured that the necessary responses would be taken to combat such forms of terrorism against the indigenous population. BIREN also denounced all forms of violence and called for the people of Manipur to unite against hate, division and separatism. Amid the prevailing tense situation in Manipur, a fresh incident of violence has rocked the state after 2 bombs were dropped by drones exploded in Sinjam Chirangmaning area yesterday. The 2 incidents took place around 6:20 p.m. last night, leaving 23-year-old woman Watham Sanatombi Devi, daughter of W. Gambhir from Sinjam Chirangmaning Laikai, injured. She suffered injury in her abdomen and was shifted to CJ Hospital, where she underwent a surgery. She is reportedly out of danger. Her younger brother, Watham Sanatomba, and her uncle, Watham Jotin, also suffered minor injury in the drone bomb attack. The attack has raised serious concerns about the increasing use of drones in violent acts within the region. Authorities are investigating the incident to identify those responsible and to assess the security implications of this alarming development.